Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely beautiful key lime pie. So we're going to start off with the buttery biscuit base, which is my absolute favourite part of any cheesecake or pie. So I'm using hobnobs for this, which I think gives it a really nice oaty texture with the really sweet creamy pie. So I'm going to blitz those hobnobs into a fine crumb, then I'm going to tip those out into a bowl, and I'm going to follow that with some melted butter. Now if you want the details of the ingredients and quantities, they will all be found in the description box below. So you're just going to stir that butter through the biscuit, and you want to make sure that all the biscuit is completely coated in that butter. To line my tin, I like to take the bottom out, and I've got a piece of greaseproof paper which is just a little bit bigger. I'm going to grease the top of the base, and I'm going to turn that onto my sheet of parchment paper, and then I'm going to brush a little bit of butter around the top lid and just fold that parchment paper over. Then you can place that whole thing into your tart tin, which you're also going to butter, especially on the sort of fluted edges, because that's where the biscuit is most likely to stick. If you are loving this tutorial, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded new videos. And then we're going to tumble that out, and we're going to spread that out using a little spatula just out towards the edges, and we're going to push it up the sides of the dish. Once you have spread your buttery biscuit base all up the sides and you've sort of flattened out the top, you're going to pop that into the oven at 160 degrees for about 10 minutes. And this is like blind baking our base, and it's just going to hold everything together. Now while that's cooling on the sides, we can get going on the filling, which is super simple and delicious. We're going to take 3 egg yolks into a nice large bowl, and we're going to beat those with electric beaters for about 2 minutes. This is just going to make them a little bit lighter and a little bit airy. Once those 2 minutes are up, we're going to add a whole tin of condensed milk, and you're going to whisk that through for about 2 more minutes. Once the condensed milk and the egg yolks are completely combined, it'll go quite light and quite airy. We're going to add in our lemon zest and also some lemon juice. Now for the lemon zest, I've actually just zested on a normal grater, then I've blitzed it in a food processor, and that's going to make it really fine, which is going to mean you're not going to have little bits of lime zest, which you're going to get like stuck in your teeth, and it's just much nicer to have the lime zest fine. Then we're going to just beat that through with our electric mixers. If you think this key lime pie looks delicious, make sure you hit that like button and give this video a share. So once your zest and your juice are completely mixed in, we're going to take our cooled case and we're going to pour that mixture right on top. Now there should be enough to come like level to the top of the tin, but if you've got a bit too much, don't overfill it because you don't want it to overflow. Then you can pop that back into the oven for about 15 minutes. Now this step is super important, don't forget it, because I have forgotten this step in the past, and believe me, it does not work. Once those 15 minutes are up, your pie's going to not really have set. It's going to be a little bit firmer, but it won't have set at all. So you're going to leave it at room temperature till it cools down to room temperature. Then you can pop it into the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight if you can. Now once it has set, we're going to whip some cream. So I've just got some double cream here, and I'm just going to whip that with a whisk until we get nice, soft to firm peaks. Then we can pile that cream right on top of our pie and just use like a spoon to just sort of spread it out roughly. I like to have it in quite a big pile, but not right to the edge. To finish this pie, I'm just going to get another lime, and I'm just going to zest the lime all over the top of that cream. And this is going to give it the signature key lime pie look. And that is literally it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do, and you can hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.